So the synthesis of viral RNA and the synthesis and binding of viral mRNA to host cell ribosome can be blocked by the purine pyrimidine analogs, reverse transcriptase inhibitors, and non-reverse transcriptase inhibitors. After that, the synthesis of viral RNA and capsid protein inhibited by the protease inhibitor. So that is the basic mechanism for the antiviral agents. Next, a drug comes under antiviral agent. First drug is amantadine hydrochloride. Structure of amantadine hydrochloride is that, and mechanism of action mainly is uncoating of the viral DNA. Therefore, inhibit the replication process by inhibiting the viral membrane protein. Used in the treatment of respiratory infection caused by the influenza A virus. It can also treat symptoms of Parkinson's disease such as stiffness, shaking and conditions that are similar to Parkinson's disease. Second, rimantadine hydrochloride. Rimantadine hydrochloride, the mechanism of action is same. That is, the inhibit the uncoating of the viral DNA. Used for treatment for the influenza A infection or to prevent the flu. Next drug is idoxoviridine trifluoride. It is an anti-herpes virus antiviral drug. It is nucleoside analog used for the treatment of herpes simplex keratitis, dendritic ulcer. Mechanism of action is firstly that is incorporate in DNA and form faulty DNA or false DNA which breaks down easily, and synthesis of wrong viral protein that inhibit the virus growth. Acyclovir also known as cyclovir is an essential antiviral medication. It is primarily used for the treatment of herpes simplex virus infection, that is chickenpox and shingles, and also used for the cytomegalovirus infection. Mechanism of acyclovir viral thymidine kinase. Acyclovir converted in the presence of viral thymidine kinase converted to acyclovir P or acyclovir phosphate. In the presence of cellular kinase, it is converted into acyclovir diphosphate. Also after that, also in the presence of cellular kinase, it is also converted into acyclovir triphosphate. So acyclovir triphosphate inhibit the viral DNA polymerase by blocking the synthesis of DNA. Here the synthesis of acyclovir. So acyclovir can be synthesized in two steps. The synthesis of acyclovir is two-step synthesis. So in first step, benzoyl chloride react with 1,2-diethanol in the presence of triethylamine, and it gives an intermediate upon treating with HCl in the presence of LCl and aldehyde. It get converted into first intermediate that is used in the second step. In